So we have a Bentley here, came in this morning for a brake job. That's what we're doing, front and rear brakes. Santos is gonna knock this car out pretty quick and we're gonna deliver it to the customer. Rear brakes are already done, new rotors, pads, all complete. We're finishing up the fronts on this car and this beautiful Bentley almost ready to go.
He's running. This is the passenger side of a Bugatti's hydraulic motor for its wings. So that's where it sits. This thing is what raises and also lifts the tail of the Bugatti's wing. It's powered with hydraulic fluid, so it pushes up and down, and then it also pushes this up and down with this shaft here. Bugattis most of them are having this issue after a while. It starts leaking hydraulic fluid. When it does that, the whole system of the car is messed up. The hydraulic fluid for this car is utilized by the power steering, by the lifter, and the wing of this car. So right now the vehicle does not have power steering. The wing doesn't go up and down. The car is slammed in low mode and it does not go up. We took the right side off, the left side is not leaking right now. We took some internal components out. It's pressurized, it has a lot of pressure, so any little leak is gonna just leak out. So we're gonna fix it, we're gonna put it back. Something like this alone from Bugatti costs about $22,000, just parts. Instead of spending $22,000 on just the part, we're gonna try to fix it. So if this went to Bugatti, I mean, this could be easily a $65,000 job. We're gonna fix it, put it back, put hydraulic fluid in there, and make sure the car's running good again. So yeah, we do everything here. All right, so we got this beautiful brand new Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This is the S560. This is the 2019 model, so it is the newest one. Did a full blackout on it. We put 22-inch wheels on it, avant-garde wheels. All right, so we got another 4x4 behind me. We're currently in progress with the wrap. One side of it is almost complete. We're wrapping it in a really nice satin charcoal color. We wrap a lot of 4x4s. You gotta take it all apart. A lot of panels. Even though they look like a box, they're flat paneled. There's a lot of panels you gotta wrap. So it is extremely difficult to wrap the 4x4. Right now we're about 40% into it. We have a lot more to go. The wheels gotta come off, go to powder coating to turn black. This car is going from black to satin charcoal. It's gonna be really nice when it's done.
This is a very tight situation here. Go. Jesus. This is what happens when there's too many cars and not enough space, which is always a good problem to have. This car is in here because the battery died. Did all the inspections and we did the repairs, so we have a new battery in here along with the charging system, which is the alternator. It's perfect. And of course we got our radio code back. The customer told us one important thing. He's like, please, whatever you do, make sure the radio works, because it was a code in the car, so they were giving us a hard time getting it. But we're RDB, so for us, no problem. We got the code situated, radio's working again. Here we go. Gotta represent. Mask off, baby. RDBLA. Headed back to the shop.
Oh! As you guys already know, we work on everything here. Various cars, various jobs, servicing, accidents, whatever. So We got an older Range Rover Sport here. The customer was in an unfortunate wreck. The right front of the vehicle is torn apart. The suspension is gone. Needs a full new suspension. He is going through insurance, so we will be replacing everything brand new on the front. Car's gonna drive great again when it's done. So anything you need, we do it here at RDB. So we got this BMW M6 Grand Coupe here. Front bumper was damaged. We took it off, repainted it, put it back on. We also repowder coated the wheels because they had some curb rash. Did it real quick for the customer. This car is done. It's gonna get washed later and it's good to go.
Well, hello guys. We are in a F90 2019 BMW M5 four-door sedan. I haven't been a big fan of BMW for a while. A few of the B6 Alpinas we got in, the M7 series was really nice. Now this new M5, four-wheel drive, loads of technology, crazy performance. This might get me back into BMWs. They did it right with this. It's beautiful, it's comfy, it sounds great from the start. The speedometer is beautiful, the whole interface is amazing. Very fast, very quick. BMWs are really, they used to be known for no traction. Rear-wheel drive, handling great, go straight, but no traction. When you start putting your foot down, loses traction a lot. It's fun, but now they really changed the game with this all-wheel drive. You could still go into two-wheel drive on this car. You have the options, which is really cool. I still have to learn a lot on this car. We just got it in yesterday, but they have the M setup mode where you could configure the MX drive, which you could see you could do four-wheel drive for the Sport and two-wheel drive. So really, really good stuff by BMW. We can't launch the car now because it's locked. You gotta do 1,200 miles, the dealership service, and then they will unlock the launch mode, which I'm sure is crazy on this car. But acceleration is very quick on this car, I can tell you now. It's one of the quickest BMWs I've driven stock. You basically could play with this car just like you did with BMWs before. You could put it in Sport, Sport Plus for more power, suspension, steering wheel, all could be adjusted from there. You got your muffler valves button, parking sensors, video camera. But check out the gear selector, it's really cool. You go into reverse almost like a manual car. Neutral, you go left up for reverse, back to neutral. And when you go this way, that's drive. Obviously you got your minus and plus. This up here basically quickens the transmission shifts. This one is headed to Vegas. He just bought it, brought it straight to us for a blackout. Literally a one-day quick blackout. Tow truck's gonna come get it, send it to Vegas right now. So yeah, we just did a little quick drive on it. It's an amazing car, so let's get it ready for the customer.
So we have a Chevy Camaro here. This car came in with a bad engine and there was no way to repair the engine. So we have a rebuilt engine. This was a pretty big job. We took the whole engine out complete and we put a rebuilt engine. Also we did put new parts, additional parts as well, so it could work perfect. New AC compressor, mounts, everything is done on the car, tested, and good to go.
Alright, so we got this brand new 2019 Mercedes-Benz S-Class here. We did a full blackout with wrap. We also did 22-inch Avant-Garde wheels, Pirelli tires, No lowering on this one, looks amazing. We replaced the factory Mercedes hood star with the flat emblem, which looks so much cleaner and aggressive. Yeah, this S-Class looks amazing in the all black color. Always been a fan of all black on the S-Classes, so everything looks good. Customers coming, and on to the next one.
Okay, we got another 4x4 done. Damn sure we've wrapped more 4x4s than anybody. They're tough to wrap, a lot of pieces, but everything is good on this car. It's a beautiful matte charcoal color. And we're making sure, again, after we put it back together, there's no errors, nothing. Everything is beautiful with the car, it's driving good. We did a blackout on the car as well, the wheels, all the metal. Checking the messages, there's no messages, so everything is good on this Mercedes. It's ready to go. So on to the next one.